Hey guys, this week I'm coming at you with 3 Harley Quinn inspired designs just in time for the new Birds of Prey movie. I thought I'd paint 3 designs since my channel was lacking on the DC content, since Marvel is my favourite. So today I'm bringing you the classic Harley Quinn style. If you want to know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with painting all of my nails except my pinky red. And then I applied a clear top coat. And then once that was dry, after about 20 minutes, on my ring finger I'm just painting a cross in black. And then filling in the bottom right hand corner square and the top left hand corner square to create that diamond effect. And once that was dry I did 2 coats for full opacity. And then on my ring finger I just painted with some foil glue because I'll be using some glitter. Once that foil glue was clear I just used a brush and rubbed in that glitter and smoothing it out with my finger. And then just brushing off the excess with a fan brush. And then on my index finger I'm just painting 3 diamonds in acrylic paint. Then for my pinky I just painted black and then applied a quick dry top coat. And then same as my index finger I just painted 3 diamonds, except this time in white. Then I'm just straightening up those diamonds with just digging at the acrylic paint. You can't do this if you don't apply a top coat before. And then I'm just going over those diamonds in red. And then finally a quick dry top coat. And 2 coats for the nails with glitter and acrylic paint, just so they get that nice glossy top coat to them. And there you go, these classic Harley Quinn nails. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. And I'll see you soon for my next Harley Quinn inspired design. Thanks so much for watching, bye!